Okay, dear students. So today we discuss about our first year chemistry for intermediate students. That is the chapter 1. The chapter 1 name is the atomic structure. Chapter 1 name is the atomic structure. So what is the mean by the atomic structure? Means simple. Human structure means we explain the human bodies. For example, in human bodies, eyes, nose, mouth, hair, legs, stomach, hands. These are the parts of the human body. And how they can arrange it in human body. Simply that is the structure of human body or human structure. Similarly, in atom, what are the parts are present in atom? So that parts, nothing but particles. What are the particles are present in atom and how they can arrange it in atom? So study of the different type of the particles in atom and how they can arrange it in atom. That is the meaning about the atomic structure. Atomic structure means nothing but the study about the atoms, particles and their arrangement in atom. That is the meaning about the atomic structure. So in this atomic structure chapter, first discuss about the subatomic particles. What is that? Subatomic particles. In atom, there are the number of particles are present. On that number of particles, only few particles will be changes the nature of the behavior of the atom, nothing but nature of the atom. So that important particles is considered as a subatomic particles in atom. That means in atom there are the number of particles will be present, but only few particles will be changes the behavior of the atom. Changes the behavior of the atom. So that type of particles here we should call as a subatomic particles, nothing but fundamental particles. So in atom there are the three types of the subatomic particles. Three types of the subatomic particles, nothing but fundamental particles are present. They are electrons, protons and neutrons. What are the subatomic particles in atom? Electrons, protons and neutrons. So already we have to know the electron. The subatomic particle electron is discovered by the J.J. Thomson by using the electric discharge tube experiment. Here the experiment name is the electric discharge tube experiment and discovered scientist name is the J.J. Thomson. Next, for example, proton, and proton is also discovered by the same experiment, that is the electric discharge tube experiment, but the scientist name is the Goldstein. Proton discovered by the Goldstein and here the experiment name is the electric discharge tube experiment. So in subatomic particles, two subatomic particles, electrons, protons can be discovered by the same experiment, that is the electric discharge tube experiment. And another subatomic particle, that is the neutron. Neutron is discovered by the simple chemical equations. The scientist name is the James Chadwick. Who is that? Chadwick, nothing but James Chadwick. So this is the information about the subatomic particles in atom. So how many fundamental, nothing but subatomic particles are present in atom? There are the three types. What are they? Electrons, protons and neutrons. Electron is discovered by the scientist name is J.J. Thomson by using the electric discharge tube experiment. Proton is discovered by the Goldstein by using the electric discharge tube experiment. Neutron is discovered by the Chadwick by using the normal chemical equation. So, this is the important particles in atom, nothing but subatomic particles. And in atom, how they can arranged? Simple. In atom, electron is revolving around the nucleus and protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. What is that? For example, assume this is the atom and this positive charge is the nucleus. What is that? This is the nucleus. In this nucleus, what are they? Protons, neutrons are present in this nucleus and electrons are revolving around that nucleus. So, this is the simple arrangement of the electrons, protons and neutrons in any atom. How they can arrange it? Protons and neutrons are arranged in the nucleus and electrons are revolving around that nucleus. So, this is the simple arrangement. And another important one is in the nucleus, how many particles are present? Protons and neutrons, 2 particles. So, when this protons and neutrons is also called as a nucleons, protons and neutrons is also called as a nucleons because they are arranged in nucleus. Because they are arranged in the nucleus, due to that it is also called as a nucleons. This is about the simple arrangement of the electrons, protons and neutrons in atom. Next we discuss about the charge of the electron and proton, neutron and mass of the electron, similarly proton and neutron also. So, that can be discussed by in simple tabular form. On the tabular form, first this is the particle name and this one is the discovered by the scientist name and this one is the symbol and here we are using the charge and here we are using the mass of that particle. For example, first here we should write the electron and who is discovered by the electron? Already we have to know the scientist name is the J.J. Thomson. Simple electron, first letter E. So, the symbol of electron is the small e. And their charge is the 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. What is the electron charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. The units of the electron is the coulombs. Here we are using the coulombs. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Electron charge is the negative sign. Electron charge sign is the negative sign. So, its absolute value is the 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. And their mass is the 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilograms. Electron mass is the 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilograms. So, this is the mass and charge value of the electron. Then proton. So, proton is discovered by the Goldstein and its symbol proton means first letter is the P. So, we indicate with the small p and the charge of the proton value is same with the charge of the electron value, that is the same 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, but only difference in their sign. Proton sign, charge sign is the positive 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs and electron charge sign is the negative, value is the same 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So, that is the charge of the proton. Then mass of the proton, that is the 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. How much? 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. These all are the charge and mass values are the constant. So here we should remember the charge and mass values of the electron, proton and neutron because they are the constant values. And third subatomic particle is the neutron, discovered by the Chadwick. Neutron, first letter is the N, so the symbol is the small n. And neutron charge is the neutral because neutral means nothing but zero. In chemistry point of view, neutral charge means zero charge. So neutron charge is the neutral, that is the zero. And its mass value is the 1.674 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. 1.674 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. So this is the charge and mass values of the three subatomic particles, that are the electron, proton and neutron. So here we compare the mass of these three subatomic particles. Which particle mass will be high, which particle mass will be low, means the order is the mass of the neutron will be high, next mass of the proton, least is the mass of the electron. So the order of mass is the mass of neutron greater than mass of proton greater than mass of electron. From this order, electron mass is very low value compared with remaining two particle mass. Neutron mass is very high compared with the remaining two particle mass. So this is about the mass order of the three subatomic particles which are present in the atom, that is the electrons, protons and neutrons. So this is the brief discussion about the three subatomic particles, electron, proton and neutron, and their symbols, charges and their mass values, and how they can arrange it in the atom. Then we discuss the charge to mass ratio of the electron, similarly proton and neutron. So charge to mass ratio. Charge to mass ratio means simple, E by m. Ratio, charge of the electron and mass of the electron. So already we have to know charge of the electron is the 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron is the 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilograms. So simple, their ratio E by m, charge to mass of electron ratio. On simplification, finally we get the 1.75 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg. So this is the charge to mass ratio value of the electron. How much? 1.75 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg. 1.75 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg. This is the charge to mass ratio of the electron. So here we are compare the same charge to mass ratio of the proton, charge to mass ratio of the neutron. When we compare the charge to mass ratio values of the electron, proton and neutron, so the order is the charge to mass ratio of the electron is greater than charge to mass ratio of proton is greater than charge to mass ratio of the neutron. That means charge to mass ratio of the electron value is greater than compared with the remaining two particles charge to mass ratio values. Similarly, from this order, charge to mass ratio of the neutron is low compared with the remaining two particles charge to mass ratio values. So this is about the charge to mass ratio of electron, proton and neutrons, and the value of charge to mass ratio of electron is 1.75 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg. So this is the three subatomic particles of atom, that is the electrons, protons and neutrons, and their charges and mass, and also their charge to mass ratio values.